The truth is that a lot of us have potholes that have been patched up in our lives, but they keep returning. So the truth is we never truly change, we never truly heal, we never truly have the situations fixed. So, you know, cleaning out.
Confidence and comfort all wrapped in one.
At your signature.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Ben, go Bess, go Brian.
Cufflinks farm, tenants in the building. Big ups to our new subscribers, all the returning residents. We are on the road, Christmas shopping, not Christmas shopping, but shopping
For Christmas.
For Christmas.
So Christmas shopping.
Yeah. One thing about Christmas in Jamaica, you know, you're gonna see the roads being fixed. You're gonna see the hedging, not the hedging, the bushing away of weeds, and you're gonna be seeing sidewalks that you never knew existed. And you're gonna see people, like for the whole year, people just lock away. And then bam, them come out for Christmas, and cars,
That is right.
and traffic and police. Look at in front of us now. Wow. But we're hoping to get through everything today and tomorrow. I mean, not that we have much time after that. And this is gonna be our penultimate video before Christmas. So we're going to do one more before Christmas. And yeah, Vlogmas-Ish is underway. You know, one thing for me though, I don't know how many of you, one of the better parts of or about Christmas is giving back. And giving back looks different at different times in different ways. Like, you know, the sanitation workers, garbage collectors, then come around with a little envelope, or, you know, like we've been giving them things over the couple like days leading up to Christmas, just to,
And even before,
just to bless them up a little more and give them a little extra to take home. Also our extended family, Sister Olive,
church
our
family,
church family,
our friends,
especially those who, you know, they're around you a lot more in this time. You're able to bless them a little bit more. And to persons who we've just been able to sow into their lives. Yeah. So I'm really happy about that. And I feel grateful that we are able to do that, you know? So I don't know what's happening here. Feel really grateful that we're able to do that and to bless others as we continue to be blessed. Thank you to all our partners and sponsors who've been able to not only help us to help others, but to help us and to become a part of our lives.
T get his grant, big up yourself. T get his grant.
And ready.
T get his grant helped us with the diaper drive for NCU DCS.
Yes.
They also gave us stuff for charity for the girls' school.
Yes.
And go around and see if you see any parking. And Ready gave us some stuff as well.
Yeah. And if anybody else wants to give us some stuff to give others, we are willing to take it on. This lady has been causing trouble from outside, you know. She was holding up the traffic.
She need to go and
she don't understand that.
Spin around. You probably have to go back up because
another thing you see in Christmas, and I see some people talking about people who cannot drive. There are certain people who should not be on the roads at this time. Yeah? There are certain drivers who should not be on the roads at this time.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Fully.
But still, Christmas shopping!
Yes, Bria is excited about Christmas.
Maybe we have to go park somewhere else.
Christmas Chronicles 2.
Yes, I hear them. Christmas Chronicles 2 and Christmas Chronicles they've been watching, and they're getting in the Christmas spirit and the Christmas cheer. And one thing that we are big on for Christmas is helping others, you know. Bass is helping our face right now.
Your style and such.
Oh yes, your first video with your new hairstyle. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair.
And I drop a soul.
So thank you for those. Thank you to those of you who have been supporting us in Vlogmas-Ish, our version of Vlogmas. Basilia said next year we must name it Cuffmas. So let's see. But the lady I got to this spot now.
She can't reverse.
Let's see.
She can't buy this one.
How many of you, like me, are preparing yourselves for the month to consume? So, you know,
The what?
cleaning out your stomachs and purging so that you can take on a little extra during the Christmas. And how many of you are like me, who also visit family members and friends and get a little extra, get more cake and more ham and, you know, so the more the merrier. So you go around and you visit people and you look for them and you bless them up and they bless up your stomach. Yeah, everybody knows somebody who's like that, even if somebody is you.
People say they have round rabbit mouth.
We all have that one family member who take wash out before Christmas in preparation for eating from everybody yard.
Well, I have the perfect gift for you, Mas Gilberto.
Because at the rate how you go on at your time, me I send you your Christmas gift early. Confidence and comfort all wrapped in one. Happy holidays!
So, no, two people. Oh, I think how could he come from right there? So she can't drive it through. She look up and
Because
say, no,
now she's blocking two people.
Gonna go shopping for Christmas.
Alright, so we are going to head out. The place is chilly.
Christmas in Mannershill is a whole other thing. Oh, we bought something for Bella. Bella sleeps in the car sometimes, and I think it's something that I would probably need to. And other people.
While you're driving?
No, not when you're driving. But Bella, show them. What is it? What does it do?
It keeps my head from falling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I'm
when you're sleeping, we're going video and show everybody and then show you.
Let me show you how it works. Buckle it up, then
Pull it around. Can you pull it? Let me help you.
so first you do this.
Yeah, girl. Go on to sleep now.
Alright, pretend to sleep now. And then pretend to, yeah.
Yeah, so she won't be dropping out of her seat anymore.
And see this little sleeping
Of course, the
bag.
seat belt would have been on as well. But this is just added reinforcement.
Look at me.
So good job, Mama.
Because Bella always, when Bella's
Mama
sleeping,
found that one. Good job, Mama.
yeah.
Thank you.
So like when Bella's sleeping, without this, she would have
Shut up on
been
her
doing
list,
this. She would have always been doing
This is
this.
one list. This is another. Like I say,
So we're going to tick off.
it's another. I don't know what this is.
Leave
but-
the
Oh.
Oh, and guys, if mommy hadn't bought this, then
Hadn't died.
if mommy hadn't bought this, if mommy hadn't bought this, then Bella would be all like, no, it would be all like,
Oh, you got no, you wouldn't have gone down so far.
Like this. Like this.
Uncle Hamlet is calling.
No, I wouldn't do this. I never do
Oh, is today
this
coming?
when I'm about
You
Alright, so we're
always
picking up Uncle Hamlet too, guys. Our yearly
I
Christmas
always do this.
Uncle Hamlet is
visitor.
coming.
I'm so excited. I miss Uncle Hamlet.
Yes, we know you miss Uncle Hamlet.
Hey,
And
Hamo.
his birthday is December 25 as well.
No, me doubt.
4 days before Christmas.
So
You remember
Come
this?
link with-
You remember
And
the same
then
place?
4 calling birds. 4 calling birds.
Alright.
A few moments later.
You already have something, Belle. Daddy, can I
Yeah,
get one?
you took up what you want. She took up what she wants.
I think this was the only one.
Stop 1 completed. Next stop. There we go. Girls got some stuff.
I got this. Me and Bella got the same thing, but it's in the bag. So.
I think it's important to shop around in a time like this. Because something you would get at one place for X cost, you'll get it somewhere else for cheaper.
Brian, it's Brian's first time at this plaza. It's a fairly new plaza, and they literally have everything, so you don't have to be going to a million places to get what you want. They have everything. That's 1, and 2,
It's affordable.
very, very,
I put backward.
very affordable.
And now that one.
So we are glad for that. Bless God. Babe, if you see any curtain rod, tell me. Here, somebody must have one, but I'm not about my glasses.
See one lady with one in her hand.
You're going to.
Let me ask her if she
No,
buy
not that. The
normal
soft
white
one.
curtain rod.
Yeah.
Where we going to put that?
The one them not the house tie up.
Oh, yeah, talk about the wire curtain rods. Oh, okay. Well, they were in there, you know.
Oh, I never see them.
Alright. Hey, none of you can see that sign there. Big sale. Home till late. I have Paris.
I've been in.
I have UK. Up to the time. No place like home. Alright. We're almost finished, but we have to stop and serve the masses. Yeah. Finish for the day. On our way home.
And no more money for spend.
No more for the whole rest of the year.
Guys, can I show you something? Daddy was a receipt.
No.
We have so much.
To give God thanks for.
Yeah.
Well, hope you get through your Christmas shopping. Tomorrow is the last day. Well, yeah, Friday and then Saturday. And you know you don't really want to be on the road on Friday or Saturday.
We have to go be on the road on Friday.
But it's minor.
Yeah, just some small things.
So it's good that we can do this even if it's once for the year. So we're gonna be doing this every month. Anyway, dinner time.
A few moments later.
I do my best and leave the rest to God.
Good job. So,
Bella, give me a hand.
Brian ordered. Brian, close your eyes. You ordered it on my account.
Oh. The first book. I think I was the first person to order one.
Yes, he was. Online.
I got my copy, I have to sign it now.
Okay.
Yeah. I didn't, guys, I used her account accidentally and it popped up in her email. I was trying to surprise her, but I got my book. This is my book. This is my book.
I'll just look in the sign and see. I'll just look in the sign and see.
No.
No, it's yours
It's
or
my book.
Can I sign your book, Daddy?
Sure.
Yay! I get to sign Daddy's book. Yes.
So I'm gonna sign myself too. Bria?
Yes, Dad?
I'm gonna sign myself too.
Yes, Dad. We all have, Daddy, me, you, and Bella, like, all have.
See that, guys? Sweetheart. Need that.
But we're her sweetheart too.
Too.
She's your husband.
What?
Wait, no. You're her husband. No.
Okay.
You're her husband.
Alone, get this now your booking a friend. Wifey. Wifey.
So who else did forget it?
Oh my God.
I'm just saying.
Who else did forget it?
I'm just saying you don't get Bass, you don't get Basilia, you don't get wifey.
Careful.
Why do I have to do the things that I do?
BBC to the world.
Bella, your turn.
Write your signature. Okay. I'll enter.
Beside Bria's own.
You don't need to write it like my own because I don't want you to mess it up. So.
Do your own thing, Bella.
There you go.
Alright.
Now you sign it yourself.
No, it's alright. This is my copy.
Wait, Bria.
So Cufflinks fam, before we close out this part of the vlog, I wanted to share a quick thought as it relates to potholes. So those of us in Jamaica understand that every time around Christmas, around New Year, Christmas, New Year period, or maybe Easter, or sometimes in the summer, but definitely when general elections or local government elections are coming up, so that's 4 or 5 times that you can expect to see road work. So then bush the side of the road, and also the potholes are patched. But a lot of us know that over the years we've seen potholes at different spots that keep returning. So you fix the pothole now, and by give or take 3 months after, depending on how much rain or how heavily trafficked that area is, the potholes re-emerge. And I don't know how many of you notice that it's the same potholes over and over again. And you know, as we reflect on 2023 and we look forward to 2024, I was thinking about it that the truth is that a lot of us have potholes that have been patched up in our lives, but they keep returning. So the truth is we never truly change, we never truly heal, we never truly have the situations fixed. That's why they keep re-emerging. So it's like putting a band-aid over a gaping wound. Instead of getting it stitched up, instead of getting it dressed, instead of allowing it to heal properly after being bandaged. And so too is it with a lot of things in our lives. You know, whether it be past relationship trauma, whether it be, you know, growing up and not having mommy or not having daddy, whether it is, you know, having a relationship that really drained you, whether you were a part of a friendship, a family situation, or a relationship that allowed you to be drained and destroyed in essence, and you patch yourself up. You know, you take a day off or a mental health day, or you make a couple posts about it, but you never truly understand what's happening mentally. You never truly heal, and because of that, your pothole appears fixed for a while. But after a situation happens again, bam, the same thing keeps re-emerging. You allow somebody in that space to hurt you again. You allow a particular thing to re-emerge. You allow yourself to be drawn out a particular way. You allow, or the situation allows you, the real you, to re-emerge. So as I'm thinking about it, you know, there are things that I have to work on. There are things that I know each of us have to work on, and if you be honest with yourself, you're going to know what that is. And may we go forth into 2024 not just patching a pothole, but actually fixing it, actually excavating the area, putting down the mall, putting in the cement, then putting on, you see, I don't even know if that's the exact thing, but then you put on the asphalt, and you know, you roll it and press it, and you compound it and you pack it. So it's a passage or a complete area that is fixed versus a patch here and a patch there, which is just having that asphalt put in, or just cement fixing it. And then tutus, when the storms of life hit again, when the rainy times in your life, the dark bleak moments come again, these situations re-emerge. So I'm just encouraging somebody. I know I'm going to be doing some of that myself, and looking forward to a brighter 2024. As I said earlier in the video, that this is going to be our last video before Christmas Day, and the next stop is going to be hopefully on Christmas Day, but it's going to be Christmas related, and it's going to be, you know, a little trip that we're going on. So until next time, Cufflinks fam, we love you, bless up, stay safe, enjoy the holidays, spend some time with family and friends, spend some time with yourself, treasure you before treasuring others, treasure God before treasuring yourself. Blessings, love you.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.